My clutch is getting stuck, and it's getting stuck bad. What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to Heavy and Modified. As you can see, I got my new clutch reservoir, and I was watching a YouTube video that did not help me at all, not one bit. That sucks. It might be an install video, how to in video. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try to be more thorough than that to anyone that might. Damn, I just scratched it. Anyone that might go search and try to find some information and can't find it, because I didn't find anything. But obviously JDP does have the install of like how to install like on like pictures and typing, but I don't know, I'm more of a visual type of person. Anyways, let's install this. I do not have my clutch fluid yet. It did not come in yet, but I'm still gonna install the reservoir. I'm just not gonna connect the hose until I have the clutch fluid. Look at us all set up with perfect lighting. Let me show you where this is gonna go. All right, so see, I'm holding this camera so weird. See that screw right there? That is where it's going to connect. So let's do this. All right, that's a screw right there that it connects to. Shout out to Team Fat Hands. We're gonna slide this into here, just like that. I think it's the easiest thing I've installed in the car. I know you can't see me, guys, but I'm right here, I promise. All right, guys, so there you can see right there. Here is my brake, here is my clutch. Now, this right here is the new part. That's a stock OEM part. Boom, bada, boom, bada, bang, bang, bang. So that was definitely not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Super easy. I love getting car parts like this where you're like, oh man, I don't know if it's gonna be easy or hard, because usually when they say it's gonna be something easy, normally something difficult. But like I said, it was easy. I think the hardest part I'm gonna have is getting my fat ass fingers through that hole over there. But hopefully when I go get the fluid and come back, someone will be here at Premium to help me out. So now what I have to do is gonna need to cap this off, which they gave me a cap. I just left in here right now so I don't lose it. But let me just show you. I didn't know it comes with that little cap, but it comes with it there. So I have to do that. I have to plug that up, disconnect the OEM hose, and connect this to basically where my firewall is over there. Once that is done, I'm gonna use a suction pump, pull out all the old clutch and brake fluid, and then we're gonna be good to go. Get ready for June 9th. If you guys are wondering why I'm changing this, maybe you guys are running into problems if you go and build your Camaro or LS3, whatever it might be. Every time I'm doing a hard pull, not saying I do it, but I'm saying when I do it, or if I did do it, whatever it might have been, my clutch is getting stuck, and it's getting stuck bad, where to the point is like I have to, like, one time on the freeway of Mexico, I had to pull over and literally wait because I could not use my clutch. I just slammed that really hard, huh? Shout out to me not being a real car guy. So yeah, really bad. So now I need to go hit up Tad real quick, ask him what is some good clutch fluid to be running, bleed out all my clutch and brake fluid, and we'll be good to go. Like I said, get ready for June 9th. Turn the camera off now, and I'll turn it back on when I got everything. And what's up, guys? So check it out. I ordered this stuff, but it's not here yet. And obviously today's Wednesday day, and the video needs to go up, which I already waited so long because it was supposed to be up Monday. I thought I would have the stuff. I thought I could go pick it up, but it looks like I had to order it. Tad said to get a specific one, so I do want to wait for that. But if it's not here by tomorrow, then I'm gonna have to get, I'm not gonna say like an off-brand, but I'm gonna get the best one I can, like Pet Boys or AutoZone, something like that, just to last until this Saturday, June 9th, and then I'm gonna be able to flush everything out and do the selected stuff that I feel is gonna be best for my car, and also Tad's gonna be. So shout out to Tad, always giving that rundown and the great information to make sure my car stays running smooth. So look at Dusty Williams, me, maybe Johnny for Premium Auto Installing, and Supercar Suspects is going to be there this Saturday, guys. This is something that we've been waiting for. This is something that we've been planning. And no, it's not a big event, but it's an event in my backyard, which is super amazing. You guys already know I live in Orange County, California, or California. Oh, Jesus. Anyways, so this is gonna be something they're gonna be doing every single month. And last event, they had 20 something cars. Now this event, they're almost at 85 cars, which their goal is gonna be 100. So guys, look it, I'm going to pick the winner. If you guys don't remember, I told you guys to go to Pure Track, boom, right here. Go to their post and comment YouTube fam. I still have not picked a winner, so you still have a chance to win. So I need you guys to go right now, go put hashtag YouTube fam, and I'm going to pick a winner tomorrow. I'm gonna get on live stream between 6 and 7, and I'm gonna pick a winner on the live stream, and you guys get to come to the event for free, and not to spectate for free, because spectating is free already at the event, but you're gonna be able to drive your car. Any car you have, you're gonna be able to drive on the track. So I need you guys to go do it right now. And if you wanna sign up for the event, it's $100. You get a full autocross session. It's gonna be dope. You're gonna be with some cool YouTubers. I mean, hopefully I'm cool, I don't know. I've been super blown out of this whole thing, I just noticed that. Nothing like fixing it halfway into the video. Anyways guys, like I said, this Saturday, June 9th, Angel Stadium. I hope to see you guys there. I'm be giving ride-alongs. I know my boy Raul Estrada, he has to do a ride-along first. I'm gonna give him a ride-along. I hope you guys are excited. I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for being so short, but I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys on Friday. Friday's video is gonna be us setting up the event for Saturday. Don't forget, tomorrow I'm gonna go live and pick a winner so you can put your car on the track with me and have some fun. I'll see you guys on Friday. Have a great week.